Hey everyone, welcome to Dual Chat English. I'm John from San Francisco.
And I'm Emma from Germany. Hi guys.
Today we have something super fun. Look at this. A mystery box.
Yeah, we don't know what's inside.
Exactly. So we're going to open it together and talk about it. Ready, Emma?
Totally ready. But first, how's your week going, John?
Pretty good. Busy with work, but the weekend is here. You?
Say, I drank way too much black coffee this morning. See?
Okay, coffee queen. Let's start. Hear that? Something is moving inside. Not heavy.
Ooh, exciting. Maybe candy. Or socks.
Socks? In a mystery box? That would be funny.
Hey, socks are useful to me. My feet are always cold. No label, just this tape. Okay, I'm opening it.
Slow motion. The viewers love suspense.
Here we go. Oh, look,
A tiny... What is that?
it's a pouch.
Open the pouch. Open the pouch.
Okay. Wow, an airplane keychain. So cute.
Nice. I thought it was going to be something weird, like a rubber chicken.
A rubber chicken. Why would anyone send that?
Mystery box, Emma. Anything is possible. Holds it up to the light. Look, it even has little windows, like a real plane.
Or maybe it's for travelers. Do you travel a lot?
Not lately. Last year I went to New York. That was fun. You?
I love traveling. Last summer, I visited my sister in Brazil.
Brazil. Did you fly?
Yeah, the plane was tiny. I was scared.
This keychain is perfect for you then. Good luck charm.
Done. Now my keys look fancy.
Fancy keys for a fancy girl.
Stop it.
Wait, there's more. Tissue paper, and he pulls out a folded card.
A card. Read it.
Okay. Congratulations. You are now the owner of one lucky airplane. May all your trips be smooth.
That's sweet.
And look, there's a tiny map on the back.
Oh, little countries. Cute.